Hi guys, so today I am vlogging just because I feel like it. I don't know if this will be a separate video or if it will be mashed together with a different video, but I wanted to film, and I also kind of wanted to show you what I do for my makeup because I haven't done my makeup in a few days and I felt like doing it today because I like doing makeup. And yeah, I'm inside, but I like doing makeup, so kind of wanted to show you what I do. And yeah, it's gonna be really chill. I'm using my phone to film. Oh, I just got an email. Also, look what came today. I ordered some purple hair dye from Crazy Colour and it's in the colour lavender. I'm really hoping it will show up on my hair because I don't exactly have the lightest of hairs, but that looks pretty dark. I tried to pick a colour that I thought would probably show up. Thing is, my hair looks really dark right now. I have highlights through my hair, but like there's not a lot and they're not that light right now. So I don't know. I'm scared they won't show up, but we can just hope, surely. So I might do that today or I might do that tomorrow. I don't know. I don't really know. But yeah, I thought I'd just show you. So I always start with Cetaphil moisturising lotion. I literally just put that all over my post. Yeah, it's just a light moisturiser. It sits well like under makeup, and I don't actually put like foundation on, so it's nice to just have moisturiser on anyway. It's also gonna be 20 degrees today, so I'll probably have to put on SPF. Just gonna have to do. Okay, so next I always wet my beauty blender because I don't know, I just do. Okay, so wet it. It just works so much better when it's wet. I used to not wet this and I don't know how I did that because I can't imagine not wetting it now. It goes to quite a big size, but it's good. It just makes sure just make sure just make sure that like everything blends in well. The concealer that I use is Collection Last Imperfection Concealer in Fair #1, and I just put this under my eyes. I actually don't always do this first. Sometimes I do my eye makeup first, but right now I just feel like doing this first. I've ordered some Glossier stuff, and I've ordered the SPF like face stuff to use as like a moisturizer, but it's still not come, which is understandable because I know everything takes a bit longer now. Apparently if you say the C word as in if you say the name of the virus, YouTube like blocks your video or something, like, or they restrict your video because of the word. I don't know why, but I've heard that that's what's happening. Okay, so I just literally blend it under my eyes, and then I'll probably take some like onto my forehead just so it's a bit more even. And I just dab. I don't drag. I try not to drag, sometimes I do. I don't wear foundation because honestly, like, I just don't feel like I need it. I don't think anyone needs it, but if you feel more confident with foundation on, then you wear foundation, but I don't feel the need to wear it. And then for my eyebrows, normally I do my eyebrows, but recently I just don't like doing them. Like, I did them yesterday and I hated them, so I had to just wipe them off. So right now I'm just gonna brush through them and then we'll decide later. Right now, I don't feel like they look that bad. Okay, I think we're gonna do eyes now. So I'm gonna do my like soft eyeliner. Try it anyway, it doesn't always work. I don't know why this is it. So I start off with this Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I use these colours here. It's got peaches and cream, and then mix it with a tiny bit of this one called Georgia. And I literally just sweep them over my eyelid. There's no like cut crease action here. Take it all over my eye, just making sure the whole thing is covered. Really not professional. I think I've tried a cut crease once and I don't remember if it worked. I probably didn't, but you know, I'm just not about that fancy eyeshadow life. Sometimes I do like blending in the crease or whatever. I used to love a bit of red from this palette, but nowadays don't. So this brush was the Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease brush. It's really pretty. Okay, then the fancy part, I take this Morphe X Jaclyn Hill brush in JH43. It's like a flat eyeliner smudger brush, and I use the colour Puree from this same palette. So yeah, I use the colour Puree, and I kind of just like drag it like with the top side, and then also kind of like diagonally. And then this bit's hard because I literally just draw a little line. Sometimes it works. I try and make it have a point at the end. Okay, so can you see? Then once I've made that line, I just kind of connect it to an eye and smudge it a little bit. I really don't know if that's showing well. Like, I just smudge it in like with the rest of my eye, kind of like that. I don't really know if it's showing well. But I don't really know how you meant to show how to do eyeliner. You probably all know how to do eyeliner anyway, so if you're learning to do eyeliner, don't come to my video because I'm not very good. And now it's the hardest part, is getting them to match. I can already tell like they're not very similar today. This one's a bit more faint. Honestly, like if you want to do like this soft, like smoky eyeliner look, this is the brush to get. And it's literally, I got it £4 from Selfridges. I ordered it and it was free delivery, so it was literally so cheap. I didn't actually realise how cheap all Morphe brushes were. I should probably order more because some of my brushes are just bad. So I've done that, and then I like to just get like my brush again and kind of squeeze it and then just smudge it a bit, like not smudge it but like blend it, just so it's a bit more like smoked in with my eye, you know. It's not like a harsh line because that's not what I'm trying to achieve. I just kind of want like a softer look. Okay, and that's literally the eyeliner. I got some eyelash colours. I don't know why I said that. Get your eyelash colours and curl your eyelashes. This is sometimes why I like to do concealer after, because this ruins my concealer sometimes. I don't powder my concealer, which is really bad. I actually like to kind of go like a lot. I know this creeps a lot of people out, but, and that's kind of made my eyes water. And just look how much nicer that looks. And then the mascara I like to use is the Benefit Bad Gal Lash. Really nice mascara. Probably one of my favourites. The only thing I don't like is that I get a lot of fallout at the end of the day. Like my eye underneath goes really like it just falls out and like starts smudging. But other than that, it's got a really big wand. I just really like it. It's not clumpy either. I don't like that look. I've got really long eyelashes, but they're just naturally straight. So when I curl them, they look great. And that's also what I get. Yeah, I do my at-home like lash perms. When I perm them, they just look amazing. I'm not even gonna lie, they look pretty good when I perm them. So that is the mascara done. Now I just like to kind of finish off the face. Because it's looking a bit dull, so I like to get a little bit of I like to use bronzer. This one's actually from Natural Collection. Surprising, no one talks about this brand, but it was literally $1.99 in Boots, and I really wanted a bronzer, and there was no other. I wanted L'Oreal Glam Bronze, but they didn't have it in my Boots. Kind of annoying, but you know, I went with it, and I was like, okay, well, I either get nothing or I get this for $1.99. So I decided to get this, and I literally just use this blank canvas F42 brush just to get that summer, I don't know, bronze look. You do kind of have to blend a lot. It's not the best, okay? If you want a really good bronzer, this probably isn't the one to get, but I've spent my money on it. But yeah, you can just see it kind of just collect a little bit here. And I don't like to have that like orange look. Might even put a little bit on my nose, just to get that sun-kissed look. Look a bit dry, but oh well. Now, blush. I recently got into blush. I got this one from L'Oreal. It's so cute. It's called Life's Peach. And it's just a little peachy coloured blush. It's so pretty. And it actually smells like peaches. Just saying, that's pretty cool. And I like to use this Real Techniques blush brush and just put it on my cheeks. Then lastly, I like to use a highlight. I've been loving this one, Better Light. Real pretty. And I just use like an angled contour brush because I'm weird and it just works best and it's the fastest to use. And it's quite like natural, a little bit. I don't really know how natural this is, but and put it everywhere, especially on the end of the nose. I feel like that's the best. I like to just get my beauty blender and just kind of blend it so it doesn't look too crazy. Sometimes it can look a little bit crazy. And then lastly I like to get my Pixie Glow Mist, which looks a bit gross. And mine's a bit broken because it leaks. Can you see that? It leaks everywhere. It's really annoying. And just spray this everywhere because it makes everything look better. Can't really see it, but it does look better. This is the finished look. It's really natural and like not a lot of, if you're looking for a full coverage look, this probably isn't for you, but this is what I like to do. So yeah, this is the finished look. It's really simple and natural. But yeah, I like it. It's kind of nice and summery and glowy. Bye.